Dedicated athletes like you are going to love Forerunner 745. This advanced running and triathlon watch is guaranteed to help you beat yesterday. In this video, we will show you how to set up and start using your Forerunner 745. Let's take a look at your watch. On the top left, you'll see the light button, which you will use to power on the watch, control the backlight, and access the control menu. Hold the light button to access the controls menu. Here you can lock the watch, access the Garmin Pay wallet, and more. Below that are the up and down buttons. These help you navigate the different menus, data screens, and widgets. Holding the down button will allow you to quickly access the onboard music player, while pressing and holding the up button will access the menu. On the top right is the Start/Stop button. In addition to starting and stopping timed activities, it will allow you to make menu selections. Finally, there's the bottom right Back button. Pressing it will return to the previous screen. While in a timed activity, press the back button to mark a lap. When you turn on your Forerunner 745 for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your language preference. Then it will ask you if you want to pair with your smartphone. Select Yes and use the Garmin Connect app to complete the initial setup. You can also sync your user profile and recent activity data to your Forerunner 745. From the watch face, press the down button to scroll through the widget loop. Here you can see information such as performance stats, training status, and pulse ox. To view more widget information, press the Start button to see more details, or press and hold the Up button to access the widgets menu. From the watch face, you can press and hold the Up button to access the menu. Here you can customize the watch face, set alarms, or view activity history. Press down to see more menu options. Here you can see options for activities and apps, widgets, and much more. When ready to start an activity, press the Start button to see your favorites list. Press down to see more activity options. Press Start again to select the sport profile you want to use. If you selected an outdoor app, wait until you have gotten a GPS signal and then press the Start button to begin the activity. During the activity, you can press down to see more data field options such as lap information, heart data, or the time of day. You can customize data screens in the activity menu. After completing your run and stopping the timer, you can now resume, save, or select one of the many other options available. When you save the activity, you can see activity summary information and many other stats about the run and your performance. With Forerunner 745, you have the perfect tool to beat yesterday. For more information on using your watch, visit support.garmin.com.